Yo, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here Abdurrahim back again with another great amazing tech video. Well, the video of today it's all about the top 6 Android apps, and the video of today it's something which is so amazing because the last video we talked about some few ending of the March apps, and some of you guys got it ASAP, and I decided to toss in some April's apps, which I think to my own kind of aspect there might be efficient for you. So for further ado, let's get it started. So our first app of the list goes to Abstruct. Well, Abstruct it's something which is so amazing. It's an amazing kind of wallpaper app which has many kind of different type of wallpaper throughout different types of phones. So especially when it comes to iOS P or OnePlus, as you can see, there are many tons and tons of wallpapers you must select from different variety. Like this one at the moment, just it's loading up. You can just click on set as wallpaper, you can click on both, and you can see your wallpaper. Voila, it has changed. It's something which is so amazing about the Abstract wallpaper because it gives you different types of variety of wallpaper to just select and blend in with your phone. Our second app of the list goes to John Trigger. Well, this is a game app. Well, it's something which is so awesome about John Trigger. It's just that it's so incredible app, or it's so incredible game which you can just play by pointing or by rotating, by single tapping, and I find it something which is so amazing. Just check it out. You can jump out here and just do that in another shot and stuff like that, which is something which is so awesome about this game. It's just like that, very kind of easy to play. So this is John Trigger and this is the game. Our third app of the list goes to Snap Mode. Well, Snap Mode is something which is so great about this kind of app. It's well made, and what it does, it's just that it blends all your screenshots. So for those people who are app developers, this app is very at ease for you because you can blend in with a screenshot and you can just upload your screenshot via a source app like Play Store if you want to publish your app and stuff like that. I think this is the best app to go. Not only that, you can just select different type of variety of devices as you want just to showcase your screenshot. So it's the way to go by using Snap Mode. Our fourth app of the list goes to Spotify. Well, I like this app because it's just amazing. Spotify is just kind of great when it comes to music. I've been using Spotify for quite longer. Not only that, but Spotify is the way to go when it comes to storage. You might be asking me why. Because of one thing, you're just streaming all the music throughout the internet, so you don't need to have a bunch of bigger storage of your phone. So it's a really great storage saver. Another kind of stuff, you can just download any kind of favorite music on the go and you can just blend in by playing it. So if you're in a country like me, I'm in Tanzania, so I've been using a VPN. So that VPN is called Turbo VPN. You can search it on the Google Play Store ASAP and you can just get it ASAP. Turbo VPN, this is the best app by using the VPN to change your country which you are, so as you can use it Spotify if it's not allowed in your country. Another kind of app of the list goes to LED scrolling. Don't get me wrong, but LED scrolling, it's something which is so amazing about this app. Is all about how much you can just write any text. Like you can just find somebody on public and tell them text me, and after that click play and it will just blend in with how much you can see. It says text me and somebody can just see that, so you can write even your number, or just you want to shoot out some bigger stuff you want, like when it comes to text, or when it comes to telling somebody what you mean actually. Last but not least app, it's called the More Story. Well, don't get me wrong, it's called More Story. More Story, it's a best animation app for Instagram, especially when it comes to different types of variety you want from your screening or your framing or your pictures and stuff like that. It's the really great app. You can just click on edit as quickly as possible. The download assets will just start and you can click on plus sign and you can roll out any kind of image you want it to be there. So I'll give you an example. Like I have an image here for Sunshine, so if you click on Sunshine here, you can see there she is. You can click on add, then you can click on preview then voila, there we have it. You can see it's just popping up there. So you can rename everything as much as you want, and it's such an amazing kind of app using more story. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you got that kind of 6 apps of Android which that might be helpful for you. So let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking. Perhaps we can toss in some productivity apps or some utility apps, you know what I'm saying. Just let me know on the comments and I'll be just getting back to you. So thank you guys for watching, and last but not least, if you're new here, consider subscribing to your homeboy here. I really appreciate on that. And last but not least, I'll be catching you guys on the next one. As always, stay sharp and creative, and kudos. Peace.